Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. So in this video we are going to try a small mini project on joystick controlling servo motor. So let's go on the required components that are the Arduino Uno, joystick controller, servo motor, jumper cables and a breadboard. So let's get started with the connections. So as we know, so I can place my servo here and I will take a double tape. I'll place it here because the servo will be still, it will not fall again and again. So I will place this here normally. See, I placed here, and we take 3 jumper cable for first servo connection. So I'm taking these 3 cables. Okay, so first one, a red one. So wait a second. So I can play with this all three. So let's go step by step. First, the red ones. The red one goes to VCC or 5 volt of the Arduino Uno. So I had given the 5 volt to Arduino Uno. And the brown one of the servo motor goes to ground. Simply will go to ground. The last pin goes to pin 9 of Arduino Uno. Just goes to pin 9 Arduino Uno. Then we have the controller. So you want a male to female. Sorry, I have taken this male to male. Wait a second. So guys, I connected these 3. Total there are 5 pins. I have connected only 3 pins. We require only 3 pins to connect. One first on this ground. Second yellow is 5 volt of VCC and third is VRX. So first we goes to ground one. I will take this and join to the Arduino ground. I think the connection has been loosened here. Take proper connections. Okay, so this goes also a ground one, and the yellow pin goes to 5 volt of Arduino Uno, again one same, and the last VRX goes to A0 of Arduino Uno. See, the connection is so simple. This is our joystick controller, servo motor and the Arduino Uno. So let's go to our software part, connect this Arduino with our laptop and just upload the code and test our servo motor using joystick controller. So as we know, how can we connect our Arduino to our laptop? So just go to tools, board, Arduino AVR boards and connect Arduino Uno, and go to tools, board, and there you can see COM4 is available. You can see COM3 or COM5 as your system required. COM4 will select. Already I written the code, you can see here. I will take it, zoom it. You can take a screenshot of this code and write it down. So just will click on the upload button now. The uploading is going on, as you can see here. Okay, the uploading is done. So as you can see, so I can rotate my servo. See, if I as you can see how my movement of joystick, the same way the servo is moving. See how cool it looks. Same way like this type of been controlled in game pads and steering wheels, accelerator. Same way joystick has been used here. How cool it's looking. So if you like this video, subscribe it, like it and share everyone with your friends and family. If you have great interest in electronics, do subscribe to me. And if you got any problem while doing this experiment or project, you can comment down for this video. I will help you with out. So till now, make this cool electronic project. Thank you for watching. Bye.